All right, so today we're going to talk about the essential AI tools for marketing. This is going to be a guide about the key AI concepts and terminologies that every modern marketer needs to understand. All right, so this is just 10 essential concepts. Now, the first one is, what is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the art and the science of creating better prompts for AI models like ChatGPT or Collide to get more specific and higher quality responses. So it crafts introductions that guide AI behavior. It also combines creativity with technical precision, and it optimizes the AI output for specific needs. So very valuable skill set to have when you are applying for jobs is getting good at doing prompting for these AI bots, so on and so forth. And just to mention that Google has recently dropped a prompt engineer.
Hey guys, I hope that you're enjoying the course so far and that you're getting a lot of good, valuable information. I just want to let you know that I am coming out with a Skool community, and by the time that you're watching this, it might be already there. So if you look in the description of this video, you should be able to find the Skool link so that you can join. You can join the program for free, and it's just a good way to build community and also get access to all the free courses and the free resources that I'm offering within my Skool community. So highly encourage you to check that out. You will find a lot of value in that, I promise you. So if you're liking this content, please give it a thumbs up. It pushes it further in the algorithm. And, if I'm doing good so far, go ahead and subscribe. Why not? But yeah, so I'm planning on dropping more courses. Depending on when you're watching this, I should already have a Google Ads boot camp along with a Meta boot camp, aka pink print, blueprint, whatever. But all that should be already coming out. So make sure to check that out as well. And yeah, I'm also coming out with a PPC portfolio, basically teaching you how to build your portfolio and how to add pay per click specific campaigns to that portfolio. So yeah, let's get back to the video.
Course completely for free on the Skillshop website. So I would really highly recommend that y'all take the course, get certified. I haven't taken the course yet. I will eventually. But even today, right now, I use ChatGPT as well as Copilot for the agency that I work for. So it's definitely a a new thing. It's definitely something that agencies are wanting their employees to learn and wanting their employees to get good at. And not only that, every week we have AI training. So again, AI is not going anywhere. It's really, I believe it's going to be here to stay. But as long as you can get ahead of the curve and learn it and be willing to adapt to it in your every day-to-day activities, then you should be fine. Now, why is number two, why is prompt engineering important for marketers? Kind of piggybacking off of what I just said in the previous slide, the better and more specific the prompt you give an AI, then the better the output will be. And, which can help marketers get useful and relative results. So it will help you improve content quality and relevance. It will save time by reducing iterations. It creates more targeted marketing material. It will also enhance brand voice consistency. So marketers who master prompt engineering can produce campaign materials in minutes instead of hours. So again, whenever I was talking about, what was it, the advertising terms, one of the videos, I was saying that as a PPC specialist, most of the time you're not going to be required to write ad copy. For most of the time that I've seen, that ad copy is normally assigned to the ad copy group or the copywriting group. And even, the copywriting group, sometimes they actually do use AI. So, I remember earlier when I first was looking for digital marketing jobs, I was working for a digital marketing agency called Logical Position. And I was on the sales team, but I wanted to move to the marketing team. And one of the jobs I was looking at was copywriting. And in the interview, they asked or they wanted me to give an example of how I would use like Jira or Write, not Jira, Jasper, which is a AI copywriting kind of tool, or AI just writing tool, as well as Write, which is also an AI writing tool as well. So those are some, they are using AI. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is, what does LLM stand for? LLM stands for large language model, which is a AI trained on the vast amounts of text to understand and generate human-like language. So we see this in really popular examples like ChatGPT, OpenAI, Collide, GPT-4, Gemini. So it's trained on billions of text documents, um, with the LLM, and it's able to generate, again, human-like text responses, and it powers many modern AI applications. Now, what is the generative AI? Generative AI is a artificial intelligence that creates new concepts or new content, such as text, images, video, or code, that is then transforming how marketers produce creative assets. Okay. So in creative assets, pretty much, again, like text, images, videos, so on and so forth. For example, I don't know if you've been on YouTube lately, but at least on my YouTube algorithm, I have been seeing a lot of AI generated videos that are being used as YouTube ads. And I always know, I don't even have to look at the screen to be able to tell that it's an AI video ad, just because based off of the voice. For some reason, the AI voices sound a little different than you hearing my voice right now. I'm not AI, but like if I was AI and I was if I was AI and I was watching this video, I would definitely be able to tell just from the voice, because I don't know, the voice just sounds like it's kind of like muffled in a way. Anywho, but with the generative AI, you're able to create diverse, or it's able to create diverse content formats on demand, dramatically accelerates the content creation. So what would take a human maybe a day or two to create the video, shoot it, especially with video ads, you would need somebody in the ad. You would have to pay people to be a part of that ad, and you would have to, not only that, pay somebody to edit it, make it look good, so on and so forth. Well, the cool thing with generative AI is it can do it by itself, and you don't need to pay anybody. You just pay whatever software you're using, for that generative AI, which, and not only that, the generative AI can create multiple videos within like 5 minutes. So that can drastically accelerate the content creation, and it also enables personalization at scale. So pretty cool. Yeah. So what are the AI agents and how can they be used? Well, AI agents are an anonymous system that takes actions to automate tasks, making the process more efficient and reducing the manual workload. So automatically it can, well, depending on what software you use, but it can automatically update spreadsheets with fresh data. It can generate reports on schedule without human input. It can also manage routine communication follow-ups and monitor metrics, and alert teams when action is needed. So, yep. Now, what is a RG, or yeah, RAG model in AI? All right, sorry about that. But what is a RAG model in AI? A RAG is a retrieval-augmented generation, and it's a model that enhances the large language machines by allowing them to access and use external resource documents to generate more accurate and content-specific responses. So it combines search capabilities with AI generation. It also provides functional or factual, up-to-date information. Then it reduces the AI hallucinations and inaccuracies. All right. Now, why or how do RAG materials help companies? And it's really RAG, but I just say RAG. How do these models help companies? They're able to help companies because they build a internal AI tool that helps employees access standard operating procedures and ensures compliance with the company's process. So it provides access to company specific knowledge, it maintains accuracy with real-time document access, and it also ensures consistent adherence to processes. And then we have fine tuning versus RAG models. Fine tuning is training the AI model on a company specific database to customize its responses, resulting in a more robust and content or context aware model compared to the RAG model, which relies on external documents to at the inquiry time. All right, so why is knowledge of fine tuning valuable? Because being able to create a fine tuned model for onboarding or compliance makes a marketer more valuable in job interviews and in agency worlds because it improves efficiency and accuracy. So career advancement in AI driven digital roles is a thing is becoming relevant, as well as creating specific models tailored to the brand voice and increase operational efficiency in marketing teams. So, can AI tools help with building the AI agent? Well, yes. Tools like ChatGPT or Collide can assist in building AI agents and fine-tuning models through prompting and guidance. So you're able to create workflows and automation processes, as well as assist with model training, perimeters, and guide non-technical marketers through the AI setup. Right? So just key summary takeaway, prompt engineering for better prompts to lead to better AI outputs. The LLMs help power today's conversational AI tool. And then generative AI is a way to create new content across multiple formats. AI agent automates responsive tasks efficiently. RAG model enhances the AI with external documents. And then the RAG benefit improves the compliance in the knowledge access. Fine tuning is the customized AI for specific business needs. And career value, having AI skills can really help your career as far as AI skills that make marketers more valuable in today's day and age. And then AI tools help build even more advanced AI solutions, right? So understanding these AI, foundations empower marketers to leverage artificial intelligence effectively, creating more personalized, um, efficient and impactful marketing strategies.